Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-embarking on an epic journey through time to explore the incredible history of one of South America's most fascinating countries, Peru. From ancient civilizations that built cities in the clouds to the rise and fall of the mighty Inca Empire, and from Spanish conquest to modern-day independence, Peru's story is a rich tapestry of culture, conflict, and resilience. So, grab your virtual passport, and let's dive into the vibrant history of Peru. Our story begins thousands of years ago, long before the famous Incas. The land we now call Peru was a cradle of civilization. One of the earliest and most remarkable cultures was the North Chico civilization, flourishing along the coast around 3000 BC. At the same time, the pyramids were being built in Egypt. Their city of Cairo is one of the oldest in the Americas, a sprawling complex of pyramids, plazas, and residential buildings. What's amazing is that archaeologists have found no evidence of warfare or defensive structures, suggesting they were a peaceful society focused on trade, agriculture, and astronomy. As centuries passed, other powerful cultures rose and fell, each leaving their unique mark. On the northern coast, the Mocha people, who thrived from about 100 to 700 AD, were master artisans. They also built massive adobe pyramids called huacas, like the Huaca del Sol and Huaca de la Luna, which served as religious and administrative centers. These are gigantic geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, depicting animals like hummingbirds, monkeys, and spiders, as well as geometric shapes. The sheer scale of these drawings is mind-boggling. They can only be fully appreciated from the air. Their purpose remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Were they astronomical calendars, messages to the gods, or something else entirely? The debate continues to this day. Further south, around Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world, the Tiwanaku civilization developed. They were skilled engineers and architects, known for their monumental stone gateways and temples. Their influence spread across the Andes, laying some of the cultural and administrative groundwork that later civilizations, including the Incas, would build upon. Then there was the Wari Empire, which controlled much of the highlands and coast. They were brilliant administrators, building an extensive road network that connected their vast territorial system that would later be perfected by the Incas. These early civilizations set the stage for the most famous empire of them all, the Incas. Around the 13th century, a small tribe in the highlands of Cusco began to expand. Under a series of visionary rulers, most notably Pachacati, they forged the largest empire in pre-Columbian America. At its peak, the Inca Empire, known as Tawantinsuyo, or the Land of the Four Quarters, stretched from modern-day Colombia down to Chile, encompassing a vast and diverse territory of mountains, jungles, and deserts. The Incas were incredible organizers and engineers. They perfected and expanded the road system, creating the Capacone, a network of over 25,000 miles of roads that connected every corner of their empire. This allowed for rapid communication through a system of relay runners called chasqui, and the efficient movement of armies and goods. They built breathtaking cities like Machu Picchu, a royal estate perched on a mountain ridge, its stone structures so perfectly fitted together without mortars that a knife blade can't slide between them. The empire was sustained by a system of reciprocal labor called meta, where citizens would work on state projects like building roads or farming for a portion of the year. But the mighty Inca Empire's golden age was short. In Atahualpa, a new and unexpected threat arrived from across the sea. Spanish conquistadors led by Francisco Pizarro landed on the Peruvian coast. And cavalry ambushed and captured the victorious Inca Emperor, despite Atahualpa offering a ransom of a room filled once with gold and twice with silver. The Spanish executed him. The capture and death of their divine leader sent shockwaves through the empire and shattered its command structure. With the emperor gone, the Spanish conquest was swift and brutal. The capital city of Cusco fell, and in 1535, Pizarro founded a new capital on the coast, which he called the City of Kings. While the Spanish established control, Inca resistance did not die out. For decades, a new Inca state held out in the remote Vilcabamba region, led by rulers like Manco Inca and Tupac Amaru. However, by Yuwu Tr, the last Inca stronghold was conquered, and Tupac Amaru was executed, marking the end of the resistance. The Spanish colonial period lasted for nearly 300 years. Peru became the seat of the Viceroyalty of Peru, one of the most important administrative centers in the Spanish Empire. The Spanish imposed their language, religion, and social structure. The rich silver mines, particularly at Potosi in what is now Bolivia, fueled the Spanish economy and had a profound impact on the global market. Indigenous populations were decimated by diseases brought by the Europeans, to which they had no immunity, and were subjected to forced labor in mines and on haciendas. By the early 19th century, inspired by independence movements across the Americas and the ideals of the European Enlightenment, the desire for freedom grew. The final push came from outside forces led by two of South America's greatest liberators, José de San Martin from Argentina and Simón Bolívar from Venezuela. San Martin officially declared Peru's independence in Lima on July 28, 1821. The War of the Pacific against Chile in the late 1800s was a particularly devastating loss. However, Peru also experienced periods of growth, fueled by exports like guano, rubber, and minerals. The 20th century brought significant social and political changes, including struggles for indigenous rights and land reform. The late century was a particularly turbulent time, marked by economic crises and a violent internal conflict with insurgent groups like the Shining Path. It was a dark period in Peru's history, leaving deep scars on the nation. But Peru has shown incredible resilience. Since the turn of the 21st century, the country has experienced a period of remarkable economic growth and political stability. It has emerged as a culinary powerhouse, with its diverse and innovative cuisine gaining worldwide acclaim. Today, Peru is a country that proudly celebrates its multifaceted heritage. From the ancient ruins that dot its landscape to the vibrant, modern cities The legacy of its long and complex history is everywhere. It's a nation that has navigated conquest, conflict, and crises to forge a unique and dynamic identity. And that's a whirlwind tour through the epic history of Peru. It's a story of incredible innovation, immense tragedy, and ultimately, enduring spirit. There's so much more to discover, and I hope this inspires you to learn more about this amazing country. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please give this video a thumbs up, and you won't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Let me know in the comments what part of Peruvian history you find most fascinating. Until next time, keep exploring.